Damn, that's nice. Got them LEDs in, well, programmed. Oh, I guess my shovel jig let loose. Got it reprogrammed and everything. Fucking mean. What's going on, guys? We're back today. We're gonna be playing with the old goat again. We got a third brake light to put in. We're gonna see how that goes. Here it is. Here's what we're gonna need, actually. I'm charging my phone as we speak. We got some dielectric grease. This is just some sealant. A little screwdriver to pop the old light out. This is the new one I bought. Bought it kind of Saskatchewan, actually. He shipped it to me. Nice enough to do that. It's got the camera. We're going to upgrade to that after. That just comes out right there. I'm going to put a little dielectric grease in that. Make sure no water gets in that. And then we'll need the laptop with the OBD2. You can do that with your phone. Same thing. Let's go look at the truck now. Here we have the factory one. We're going to change that out for the LED one. And then we have the camera to add later when I do the upgrade for the radio. We're going to run all the wires for that later. But for now, we're just going to put the LED in. Because I put I can't really see it with this light, but I got a gooseneck ball in there now. And update on the dash. Actually, update on tires first. I got my dad's old tires off 2018. So I got 2018 sensors in this now. And the tire pressure light still hasn't gone out. Right, Coco? Yeah, Coco. So I think I need to change the TPMS module to get my cluster to work with the 2018 sensors. After some more research, the 10 to 13 sensors are different than 14 and newer by like half a hertz or whatever it is. So have to figure that one out still. And I think on the cluster, the only other lights on still are tire pressure light. We have the one for my tune for the intake I still have to do. Oh, and the brake light out was the bulb. I got water in there, actually. It's a mess in here right now, but I got a little bit of water standing in the top corners because my light was leaking. Because whenever I pulled the bulb out, it was white from water. So it's another reason we're changing this. It's +3, so like what, 35 degrees Fahrenheit. A little bit of snow. We're trying to do this when it's warm for Canada. Let's get to it. We're going to pop that one out, actually. We're going to give you a before. That should be... Oh, there we go. There's the before. You know, I mean, the back rack doesn't help. Kind of gives you a couple dead spots. But let's try this again in a minute. We're going to pop that out, put the new one in. Should just be plug and play, and then program it with the Alpha OBD. We'll be back in a second. Okay, we got the factory one out. Probably why it's leaking. That's like a, 10-year-old gasket, 9-year-old gasket. There's your plug-in right there. And it pretty much is the same. Oh, sorry about that. Pretty much the same. So we got to clean off the surface for this on the truck. Clean this off and put this on. Just got this from the local body shop. I don't know. It said to use that, so I'm going to clean that up, clean the truck up, put that in and program it. We'll catch up whenever I have that installed. It's just the 2 screws, one on each end. Simple to pull these out. Okay, so we got the light in, and then, you know, about as easy as the old one came out. We're going to see if it lights up without programming it. I don't think it will. Oh, I'll be damned. Yeah, well, you can see even there just how much better that light is. Damn. I really like that. I threw a little bit of name slipping me right now, but in each connector, just to stop the moisture. I already said it earlier, but I forget. That is, wow. I really like that. Let's start this thing up and see what it's called. Yes, my door is open. There's the tire light thing we were talking about. Yep. I'll just shuffle through these quick messages. Huh, nothing new yet. Press the brake light. Oh, we got a brake light out. I think that's where you have to program it. Okay, so I'm gonna program it and we'll go from there. Let's see if I press on the brake light. Oh, it does work. I think. Hard to say right now, but I think it is working. No, in the reflection of the window I can't see it, so it's not working. So apparently, let me turn this thing off. If you just plug it in, you'll have, I forgot to close the door, it's dinging. If you just plug the light in without reprogramming, your bed light will work, but your brake light won't, and you'll have a message on the dash. So let's program that now and get it all the way. So we're on Alpha OBD now. Just got the year of my truck selected, connected to it already. I got my thing plugged in the OBD2 to connect to my computer. Active diagnostics, just come here to car configurations, which is second from the bottom. And then we search LED here, and then you find the LED center high mount stoplight present. And then we'll just turn that to yes. Start. Sorry, I'm really bad at holding the camera. Next. Oh god, antivirus. Yeah, anyways. Completed. Okay. So now we should just cycle the key a couple times and see what happens. See, it should work. 1, 2, 3. It could take a little bit of time to go into the or for the computer to recognize it, but we're gonna try it. Messages, yeah, it's still not seeing it. Okay. Oh wait, it actually just went away. Does that mean my light's working now? Let's see what we got. You can kind of see the, well, you guys can't see the reflection, but in the reflection of the shop light I can see it's working. How am I going to do this? I'll get a stick and wedge the pedal in a second. Got a trusty shovel. Just wedging the pedal on for you guys. So this is a contraption, I tell you. Oh, how can I do this? Okay, the shovel idea might be failing. If you guys could see what was going on, you'd think I'm special. My girlfriend would probably agree with you too. Ooh, that looks good. Damn, I really like that. I guess that's another project complete. Stay tuned for more, boys.